Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back. This is the last part of the tutorial on how to make your own website completely from scratch. If you haven't seen the other parts, watch them in order. There should be in the description, or annotation should appear right now. This is the last part, and basically it's going to be an add-on to the last tutorial on how, or basically in the last tutorial we uploaded our website so it was global, and this one's basically going to be for if you have a forum or a blog that as of right now isn't on your actual website. It's kind of like as a pre-made website, like maybe like sportsfan100.net slash or sportsfan100 dot like edit board, like a subdomain that's not yours. It's kind of like pre-made. It is pre-made, and I'm going to be basically showing you how to get a forum so it's actually yours, like just basically kind of like what we've been doing the whole time, but a unique forum and a unique blog. So for our forums, we're going to be using PHPBB. PHPBB is a great forum making tech or tool. You can make tons of forums, and it's basically everything's in your control. You're the administrator, and everything's great. You can get that by going to phpbb3.com/downloads. The link will be in the description. You want to actually download. You want to download the zip right here. And also for our blog, we're going to be using WordPress 3.4.2. For WordPress, you can go to wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. I found that out the hard way. You want to go to wordpress.org/download and download right here. So once you have those two downloaded, we want to upload them to our website. So go back into net2ftp, and I actually already have blog uploaded, so I'm just going to upload my forum. So I'm going to go to upload and upload the zip phpbb file. Once it's done, we can go back. You see that we have a file called phpbb3. We want to check that and find rename it to forum. And I mean, this is completely your option, but basically this is going to be what you type in to find your forum. So if you typed in, let's say you typed in, if this was called forum, or let's say it was called Taylor. If you typed sportsfan100.net/Taylor, your forum would appear. So this is basically just an easier way for people to find it out. I'm just going to name this forums instead of forum, and go back. So now we have forums right here, and if we go to sportsfan100.net/forums, actually no, /tutorial website /forums, we will get to our introduction for PHPBB3. And what we want to do is go to install, proceed to next step. This is kind of just like the terms and agreements, yada yada yada. And we want to go down to start install. Now, for this step, we need to go back into our 00 web host members area and find MySQL. And for this, we want to create our new database. From here, you want to put in your database name. This is anything you want. For this one, I put my name, my first name. For my username, I put sfan. And for my password, I put the password that I wanted, and I just re-entered the password. And then you can create the database, and your databases will show up right here. So you want to put in your database host name, and actually no, this is the host name. Sorry about that. My bad. Then you want to put in the server port, which actually we're going to skip the server port and go down to database names and find the database and paste that in. The username is sfan, and you can't use my database, okay guys? I'm sorry, but you cannot use my database, and I'm going to change this, so don't try using it. Okay, and you enter your password, And here we go. We have the prefix for tables, and we're just going to call this whatever we want. We'll call this TW. Proceed to next, and then you're going to click proceed to next step. And the test connection was successful. We want to proceed to next step again. And now it's going to ask you for your administrator username, your administrator password, and so on. So I'm going to call my name, I'm just going to put sports fan. My password is my password. There you go. Okay. And for the, I'm just setting the language to English. Alright. Proceed to next step. Proceed to next step. And proceed to next step. Proceed to next step. And the final stage. Congratulations! And there we go. So once we're done with that, we can go into our forums. And as you see, we have our first category. Now to edit the forums, it's a little tricky. It confused me the first time, so we're going to delete this first forum. Submit. Oh yeah, by the way, if we go to Sports Fan, what was it? Yeah, tutorials website. Basically, if we go back to that, we will be at our forums. Pretty damn straight, right? Alright. So now pretty much nothing's in here. To create a new forum, though, you want to go down to here and type in the forum name that you want, actually the category that you want. So we're going to call this forum topic number 1. Create it. And for the form type, we're going to call it a category. Basically, the category is basically like what all the other forum topics are about. And you don't need a description. Submit. And we want to go down to step permissions. If you don't go to step permissions and you don't set the permissions for this forum, it won't show up. I made that mistake the first time. So we want to go down to add groups and select all these. Just click and hold down and drag. And we're going to go to add permissions. And what I usually do is I have like the administrators have full access. The bots have no access. The global moderators, they have around standard access. Or actually no, they have standard access. Then the guests have read-only access. The newly registers have limited access, and the registers have standard access plus polls. So they all have different things, but some are greater than others. And we're going to go to apply all permissions, and back to previous page. Now if we go back to the forums, you see how you have forum topic number 1, and we want to create a new forum. Inside that, we'll call it post in forum topic. Where is it? Number 1. So create new forum, and we're gonna make it as a forum. And you can the only other one is a link, and you rarely ever use that. And we're gonna put in description. This is the first forum topic for this, or forum post. My bad. For this forum topic. Okay. Submit. And we want to set permissions. Do the same thing. And let's just do this real fast. What did I put them as? The only change I would put on that would be for the limited or the newly registered users to have polls as well, but limited users as polls. There's an option. Anyway, so once that's done, you're gonna have something like this. And if we go back to our forum, we reload it. Okay, that's a little weird. Oh yeah, and so basically now what we have to do is go back into. All right. So once you've made your first topic, what you need to do is delete something in the forum folder in the directory. It's actually called install. So we'll go into here and find install and delete it. And there we go. Now go up and reload it. There we go. So we have forum and then post in forum topic 1. And there we go. So actually, if we reload that. Alright. So it's still here. And basically, that's it. If you want to customize your form, like have new forms, you can go to styles, and I'm pretty sure you can install new styles. You basically have to. I'm pretty sure there's a website called like PHP like BB website or styles or something like that. Search it on Google, guys. Come on, Google it. Anyway, once you find that, you can install it on your server, and you can install. It'll show up on here, and you can install it. It's pretty cool. So that's for that. You can also change the logos. If you go to image sets and find the theme that you're on, hit edit. You can edit the image sets. Like if I wanted to edit this one, I could just basically like upload my own image or find ones that are here, stuff like that. So it's really cool. I think that's really awesome. So that's for. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. If we go to general and board settings, yeah, change this to like sportsfan1100, whatever your name is, or slogan right here. Stuff like this. Basic information that makes it look like it's yours. You don't want to make it so it's your domain. You don't want to have that. Remove that fast. This is what I had them on. And that's good. Well, let's call this video. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so once that's done, we can now upload our blog, if you have a blog, or vice versa. So we're gonna go to back to. Actually, I think it's already uploaded, so we can just go to sportsfan1100.net/tutorial website/blog. And from here, we're going to hit create a configuration file. By the way, we've already uploaded the WordPress file onto our server. And we want to go to Let's Go. And our database name, same information as before. So our database name is Taylor. Our username is sfan. I can never find them. The password is what you want. The database host is this. It's the same thing for every one that you create. And for the prefix, you can just put in TW. Okay, once that's done, hit run the install. And we want the site title to be whatever you want. Sports fan blog. Put this as sports fan. The password is what we want. The email. Install WordPress. And there we go. So we log in. Oops, my bad. And we are done. this is we're basically in the dashboard and we can go to posts. It's a lot easier than PHP, the forums, Phpbb3. And if we actually go back into, we'll actually get rid of that. We'll go into here, tutorial website slash blog. We have a blog right there, and from here we can edit a lot of things. We can take out this. That's what I'm going to actually do right now. Trash that. And what I can do is add new post. We call this Taylor's first post. Hey, world. That's kind of stupid because I just... Hey, guys. Alright. Publish. And I'm pretty sure you can put HTML. I'm not sure. But hopefully you can. And there we go. So we have first post. Reload it. Taylor's first post. Now you can change these images. You have to have your own image uploaded to your server as usual. And I think you can go to appearance and background, and you basically choose your image. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. Header. No, you have to go to header, and the header you upload and basically change. So that's very easy to do. There's tons of themes, and I'm pretty sure you can get themes offline. And if you did, you just basically had to upload them to your server, and they'd probably show up right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. That's pretty much all you have to do to upload your forum and your blog, so they actually are a part of your domain name and your server and your website in general. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope these 6 videos were really, really helpful, and they basically helped you get over the fact that pre-made templates aren't the best way to go, and basically put some creativity into you. So I really hope these tutorials helped, and if you have any other questions or comments or concerns, post them on my website or post them below in this on any of the videos. I'm also going to be uploading the full 6-part tutorial in one video on my tutorials page on my website. So if you want to go check that out, you can at sportsfan100.net/tutorials. You can go here. I have all my tutorials up in actually like full screen, like bigger screen than before, and they're all in autoplay. So that's really nice, isn't it? It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. And so I also have my forum and a blog. So I just added a new forum and a blog, which I think are great. My forum, which is sportsfan100.net/forum, is my favorite. I'm going to be basically posting here more than my actual website and in YouTube, and I want you guys to too. And I actually posted on my website basically saying that if you post here and join my website or my forum, I will give you a shout out on my next video. So if you guys can do that, that would be awesome. So basically I have all my tutorial. Basically I'm going to be mainly uploading tutorials, but also helping you guys, and that's where I want some of like the more advanced users to come in and post like some of their tutorials, like embed them from YouTube like onto this forum. It would mean the world to me if you guys did that. If someone did it, just anyone, it doesn't matter who. It would mean a lot. But seriously, join my forum. I currently have no users, but only 2 people have joined. I just created this. But seriously, guys, I really think that'd be great. I don't really give a shit about the blog. If you guys want to check out the blog, I'm just gonna be basically like telling you when my videos are gonna be out. But who really cares? But that's my blog. But mainly, I'm focusing on the forum. If you guys can, please, there's tons of things. Ranging from Sony Vegas, Adobe After Effects, all the Adobe products like Photoshop, Dreamweaver. If you have any other Dreamweaver questions, you can basically post them here, or Photoshop. Adobe Premiere, which I've really never made tutorials on, you can post there. tons of HTML and PHPB3 posts and comments that I'm going to be posting, and YouTube in general, and I don't know why I put my website, and also Camtasia Studio. I've put some tutorials about that too. So please, guys, I'm going to be constantly uploading this, and if you guys help me out and join, I will be I will be promoted. What's the word? I will be. So if you guys join, I will be, willing to make more, and edging up, making more things, and just for you guys. But right now, there's no one, and I'm really not sure if I want to do anything. So if you guys please join us. I really want to try to make this a good community. Anyway, I've been talking too much about this forum, and I'm wasting your time. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any other questions, please comment, post them below. You can send me a message, doesn't matter. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.